Yeah, good morning once again. The name is still Prince, and I'm gonna teach you how to fix your HP bootloader or your HP notebook bootloader. So, firstly, you have to make a USB bootable ready, and this is my USB, and there is a Windows on my USB. So, before you can fix your bootloader, unless you make your USB with boot Windows. So that's my USB. So secondly, you will turn off your HP notebook and press on F10. That will lead you to BIOS, and from the BIOS you have to put your USB. That's it, your USB boot enable. You have to make your USB boot enable before it can boot from the USB. And also, if you come down there, we have the UEFI boot loader. From there you have to use your F6 or F5 to move the USB flash drive or USB hard drive to make it the first thing, because right now you see my USB is the second and my OS bootloader is the first. My OS boot manager is the first, which the OS boot manager is the hard drive. So that's on the first. So before you can boot your Windows from your pen drive, you have to make your USB flash drive or USB hard drive the first. So I'm done. From there, then we go to exist, save changes. That's it, save changes and exist. Yeah, that's it, save changes and exist. So you press enter. So you press enter. Okay, so you press enter, then you press enter to save it. That's it. So from there, let's leave it, and it will boot from the USB directly. Okay, so after saving all the settings from the BIOS, the machine will turn off and restart again. So when the moment the machine is put on, just press the F7 key, so that it will boot from the boot USB direct. Just press the F7 key once or twice and leave it for it to be boot from the USB. So let's wait small and see the outcome. So it's loading. If you can see, it's loading. So that's it. It has loaded from the pen drive right now. So right now, if you're having a problem with your machine and you want to like write a Windows on your machine, it has take us there. So that's it. It has boot from the USB, and that's my USB. As you can see, that's my USB. SanDisk USB. So right now we are there. We are there. So if you want to boot it from the USB, then you placed the next key. Then it will take you to a next place where you will upgrade or make write a new Windows. So there you select the one that you like, because in Windows we have two types. If you upgrade it, it's like your old Windows that is on your laptop already and you are upgrading it. And if you use the other one to, you write a new Windows without having your old Windows back on your laptop after the new Windows will be right or will be written. So please don't forget to subscribe, so that when I make a new videos, you will get my videos, or you have a feedback on my videos. Thank you.